and welcome to another video, people. Today I'm at S4P bike park and I'm going to have a dirt jump shred. Got Ben Smith behind his proper camera today just for your viewing pleasure. Yeah. I don't actually know if this place is officially open, but I have been told it's open, so it better be, because otherwise I've driven half an hour to not ride anywhere. Anyway, whoops, nearly tripped over there. Right, I haven't ridden dirt jumps in a while, so you might have to bear with me a bit. No big tricks going down today. Oh!
How's that?
Yeah, I think I might have to do that again. That was quite small there. Need some more amplitude on that, I think. Oh! Itchy! Oh! That was like the gooeyest manoeuvre ever. Like the little... Oh well.
Worked well though.
Go hit some jumps now. Oh! That sticks! Oh! Pretty sketchy.
Why is
I'm a bit of
that?
a passenger on the dirt jump bike at the moment. I need some more experience.
Out of practice.
Yeah, it's been a while. Try again. Oh, pace! Woo! Oh! I'm actually awful today. I've only got to this jump like once. Oh! Oh!
Oh.
I kind of want to do a trick, but I feel as though I'm too sketchy.
So yeah, for real though, if anyone's watching this and wants some sick clips, a sick edit slapped together, look no further than Ben Smith. Just ask Luke in the comments for my details and he can send them your way.
Right, getting pretty busy now, and we don't want to spread any Rona, so I think one more run and that should do us. Oh! Oh my gosh! I forgot to do the pinch bolts up. That's actually so sketchy. Oh, imagine. Well, at least viewers, I'm safe. The front wheel did not come off. I'll be remembering that in the future.
Mm-hmm.
Old shower curtain. Right, so it was getting pretty busy, and obviously we want to social distance and all of that. So we're leaving. Had a pretty sick sesh, but the video is not over, people. We've had a brilliant idea. We're going to take the dirt jump bike to Hindhead and shred it down some downhill trails and see how we get on. Right, so we have arrived at the beautiful Devil's Contrast, and I'm going to try some downhill trails out on the dirt jump bike. Yo. Oh. Found a trail. Let's see what this thing can do. It's actually alright on this bit. The roots are awful. You like can't carry any speed at all, but this bit's alright. Actually quite quick down here. If you're planning on doing this yourself, one, you shouldn't, but if you are stupid enough to do it, be careful, because it's probably not a good idea. Whoa! Love that. Oh, got some speed up! think we should move on to like a smoother track now.
Yeah.
Yeah, suit the dirt jump bike a bit better. Sweet. Oh, this is actually decent. That track was actually alright on this. I think I might give it another go.
Yeah.
I can actually ride quite quick on this. Yeah. I think that's enough excitement for one video. Thank you for watching.
Bye.